got beat up. It don't even make sense. Then you're going to talk, oh, I'm tired of this, I'm tired of it. But y'all want to talk about it. What? Y'all don't make no logical sense. Bunch of grown-ass people don't make no logical sense. Overcome, you don't have to thank me for that. Never. I will always be there to support. I hate when these creators get on this app and they don't support their own supporters. I think that's the corniest thing ever. Like you be expecting, they expect you to show up for all their lives, but they don't even come into your lives. It's one thing you should be, the first people y'all should be supporting is your supporters. Hey, Mr. App. When I tell y'all say, you just be, say to hit that soul right there, bro. Hey, Rama. All right, we dropping down to the yellow, y'all. Thank you for the gifts. Y'all know they're not necessary, but they always appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hey, no, I'm good. I want to know, have y'all ever noticed every time they try to do some dumb shit, I don't know, it's just like the universe always spins it into my favor. What? Sade. I know what it's called. I say Sade. Appreciate it, though. Thank you for trying to correct me. Trust me, I've been listening to her from my mom. What's the broken heart for, Brittany? Oh, I'm in great spirits. I get to cook. The list is adding on and on. People identifying themselves, incriminating themselves. It's been actually a magical couple days. Like I said, you can tell who won by the people that are mad. Elaborate on what? What needs elaboration? Hey, Jess. Thank you for the gifts. Welcome to the team. If you're cool and I'm cool, then we're cool. We don't have to worry about no groceries. We can fill up on love alone. If we ain't got enough for a movie, we can just sit at home. Have a little role play, baby. Whatever turns you on. If you're cool, then I'm cool, and we're cool. If you're cool, then I'm cool, and we're cool. With your worrying, baby. On what happened? Man, Wiggity Whack, if you don't know what happened by now, I don't know where you been at. We got a new subscriber, Miss Original Art. Appreciate it. What's up, Shaba? Hey, Honest Goddess. I don't blame you. Hey, Carmel. Whatever makes you smile. If you're cool, then I'm cool, and we're cool. If you're cool, then I'm cool, and we're cool. See, I already had the emoji set up for you, Miss Original Art. You forget about the problem now. Don't worry, girl. You never gotta worry about a thing. Don't crying, lady. Just crying, baby. Yeah, I need you on my top about it again, Miss Art, so I made sure I took care of it early. Should be plenty in there. Touching and kissing, or barefoot, straw in our mouth, laughing and kissing. I know you from the city and love Louis Vuitton, but you're stressed out. Come over here and let me calm your soul. Let me rub on your back, paint on your toes. Let me scratch the dandruff out of your scalp. Oh boy, you so nasty. It's all I hear you scream, but you the answer to my question, the end to my dreams. It's your birthday. Let's give a birthday shout out to Miss Body Like a Cyclone. Genuine crab, then kick them all out of the house. Take us a pair. You choose. All I need in this world is my OU, and I'm We got the Virgo gang in the house. And that's why I fuck with y'all, Miss Marie. What's wrong, Miss Lala? Hope all is well. Oh, you ain't heard nothing from the playlist left. Playlist will have you bobbing your head all night. No Diddy. Hey, Lisa. Are we almost up to 10K? We almost got to 1,000 likes. I mean, shares as well. Damn, these stalkers, bro. Y'all hate me so much, but y'all stay watching me. Every word. Even got the drug fiend Cuba stalking my page. The drug fiend. And then her drug fiend friend. I see the family. Family always here. I just want to let y'all know for my old school. Everybody remember Truck Turner, right? Who remember Truck Turner? Remember that page that was posting my wife, posting Polisa and her children? Y'all remember that page? Oh. Well, Miss Marie remember. Everybody meet Mr. Truck Turner. Oh, it's going. I'm gonna have to cook the young boy. Don't be scared now, bro. Everybody meet Mr. Truck Turner. It seemed like you didn't have that same energy, my guy. Just know it's time. Your time is coming, my guy, to get cooked. You thought it was funny making that video, you urinating on a black woman, huh? Ain't so funny now, is it? Not when you got to do it with your whole entire face. I told y'all, man. The universe just works over here. It don't work for y'all. Honestly. And don't worry, bro. I don't send people to report nobody's pages. And if I catch any of y'all reporting his page, we gonna have a problem. We gonna have a whole problem. I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. I just need some dick. I just need some love. What's up, General? Like, I'm trying to understand what y'all so mad about. If y'all feel your mans and them want to fight, what y'all mad about? Y'all madder than when Patrick got his ass beat. Why y'all so mad? I'm trying to understand me. Make me, help me understand. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh, nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have you breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can give it to you right, baby. I wanna be here. I mean, y'all making all the excuses in the world. Y'all trying to tell me everything I don't even give a shit about. Because if you ain't my follower or my supporter, I really don't care what you really got to say too much. No, not really. Hold on, I'm letting y'all share. I ain't even do my own sharing. Tripping. Yeah, I had to correct Nosy. I mean, honestly, I don't rock with them that dumb shit that be going on over there. That's why I don't go to Nosy Live. Bunch of grown ass motherfuckers that act like they still in high school. I'm good. But one thing you ain't gonna do for me, if you gonna call yourself my friend, like Nosy calls herself my friend behind the scenes, but she don't want to say it in front of people, I guess, whatever, I don't really care. Don't speak for me if you ain't even speak to me. I don't appreciate somebody that supposedly call themselves my friend putting out false information about me. I mean, like, what type of friend does that? Putting words in my mouth, you can't call yourself my friend. What y'all mad I can say something to her and y'all can't? She'll listen to me before she'll listen to y'all motherfuckers. What y'all mad about? I'm just trying to understand. Y'all up there telling Nosy what to do. Like, she don't be listening to y'all niggas. I'm gonna tell you something. When she turn her live off, she don't care about none of y'all niggas, to be honest with you. And she'll tell you that. She don't even know y'all. Y'all ain't got no personal, y'all can't reach out to her directly, personally, like I can. And the way y'all fighting for y'all lives in every comment section. You got Arby out here fighting for his life, going live every 5 seconds to tell you he's not going to talk about it no more, then come back an hour later to 15 minutes later and start talking about it all over again. I ain't never seen a nigga that's claim he want to fight act like that. Well, there are some creators that actually care about people, so I can't say that. Kiona, Ray, Atlas, Polisa, Miss Butter. Oh, it is plenty of creators that actually care about people. Shit, you can just look in my comment section. You'll find a lot of them. Because the rest of the motherfuckers is like, I don't know. I don't want to say a lot of them are old and miserable. They don't have spouses. I mean, some of them don't even have hairlines. I mean, so you can't really blame them. We had 1,000 shares. Appreciate y'all. Junebug, what's up, my guy? Salute to you. Hey, Miss Sags. I don't know. They on like song number 4 or 5 they done wrote about me. I mean, y'all might as well just get a whole album together at this point. Name it, I Hate Blaze. Bunch of trash ass songs that nobody gonna remember a week from now.
Baby, I'ma be your motivation. Yeah. Go. Motivation.
Hold on 1 second.
Girl, I turn that thing into a rainforest.
Put on that head. Call that brainstorming.
Yeah, this is deep.
Yeah, but I go deeper.
Make you lose yourself.
And find his keepers.
It go green light. Go, green for gold. I like to taste that sugar. That sweet and low. But hold up, wait. New position.
My bad for coming on live. My bad, y'all, for going live so late. Today was Research Monday. You know what I'm saying? I had the way people were snitching on themselves, posting their fake birth certificates and all kind of crazy shit today. Man, trash. Bruce got these niggas. Hey, Jody. I'm all good.
No, so go lover, gonna make me ring. And when we're done,
This is the research your boy been on, cause I told Truck, once I catch up to you, bro, it's over for you. Remember that, my guy? So I just want to give you a good sleepless night. You know what I'm saying? No Diddy.
in the background, and you're almost there. You know I believe in you, baby. So close from here. Baby, I'ma be your motivation.
All right, let me fix the box so y'all can see these comments. Hold on. This the grown ass man that wants to post my wife. Post him urinating on my wife from his fake page. But now you gotta do it with his whole face. Yeah, go to Truck Turner 3.5. You should be able to see those videos. Hey, Mr. Original, how you doing?
I'm good. Hold on 1 second.
Oh, y'all don't remember, Miss Marie? You don't remember that Truck Turner page that was posting my wife? Came into Bella's live saying he want to F my wife. He gonna do all this stuff to my wife. He switched that tune up today, though. He switched it all the way up. Did anybody hear you hear echo? I thought I had echo.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. Bernard, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, okay. What's going on? No, this happened around like last year. What's going on, Mr. Original? How can I help you? Thank you for coming up and being so supportive the way you do.
Oh, you're welcome. I don't know did I request or did you request me? I don't know.
Oh, you was in the queue. No bad.
Oh,
I didn't.
Probably because of the sharing and the. Yeah.
If y'all want to find out who he is, just go to my stories. I put the links of both his little fake ass page, Truck Turner page, and his real page. I'll let you down, Mr. Original. I'm sorry.
Oh, not a problem. I'll be in the comments. Okay.
And remember, Captain, you supported it all, right? Cause I know I love you so. I really don't want me. I'm just telling you that I'll be. Don't ever wanna think about you leaving my life. Tell you ever come away. Oh, you make me right. Baby, don't ever wanna think about you leaving my life. Oh, you make me whole. You make me right. Baby, don't ever wanna think about you leaving my life. You make me whole. You make me right. Don't ever wanna think about you. I'm home alone again, and you're out hanging with your friends. So you say, somehow I know it's not quite that way. It's getting pretty late, and you haven't checked on me all day. When I called, you didn't answer. Now I'm feeling like you're ignoring me. I wish I could go back to the day before we met and skip my regret. I wish I was in love with you so you couldn't hurt me. It just ain't fair the way you treat me. No, you don't deserve me. Wasted my time thinking about you, and you ain't never gonna change. I wish I wasn't in love with you, so I wouldn't feel this way. When you touch me, my heart melts. Everything you did wrong, I forget. Yeah, so you play me and take advantage of the love that I feel for you. Why you wanna hurt me so bad? I believed in you, that's why I'm so mad. Now I'm drowning in disappointment. And it's hard for me to even look at you. I wish I could go back to the day before we met and see my regret. I wish I was in love with you so you couldn't hurt me. I don't wanna hurt you. It just ain't fair till you treat me. You don't deserve me. Wasting my time thinking about you. You ain't never gon' change. You ain't never gonna change. I was out in the middle, so I wouldn't feel this way. What y'all know about this? I used to love me some Faith. Lisa, put them on, Lisa. They obviously don't know what they're listening to. It's classic. So did I, Miss Crazy Cookies. I like that name, Crazy Cookies. Well, cookies, not cookies. No, I'm sorry. No, I'm good. Let me go back and see it. You said Chuck Turner was talking differently earlier today. That's why I said what happened. Oh yeah. When he was in Bella's Live, he didn't want to put on his deep voice because he was still in his feelings. And like I said, I don't understand why y'all so mad. If y'all think this dude wanted to fight, why the fuck is y'all so mad? But once I posted his page, his real page in my stories, he started talking, oh, I don't want no problems and blah, 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 blah. No, nigga, you got these problems now. You wanted these problems last year. Remember you said you had to book the flight and everything like that. And if you from Alabama, my nigga, you on East Coast time. So what you talking about? He don't even know where the fuck he at. And that VPN blocker ain't gonna help you no more, huh? Don't be scared now, nigga. Your whole life about to be on blast. We gonna see why you like to think you can get talked about black women the way you do. And Kappa, you allowed it. That's your mans in them, right? I love exposing these fools. Then hearing Patrick realize the bullshit that he done put himself in. Talking about build a case. Patrick, man, the case is built. I mean, like, you done build the whole fucking Empire State Building at this point. As far as cases go on your ass, you and your stupid ass wannabe cousin. I'm just wondering when Arby gonna start telling people about his OF work with you. Hey, Arby, do you got OF material out here going around? Huh? With Patrick? I'm just asking, I mean, it's just a question, you know what I'm saying? Is that how you met Patrick? Damn, bro. That's why you go so hard for Patrick? No, did he?
Can't fool myself, I don't want nobody else to ever love me. You are my shining star, my guiding light, my love fantasy. There's not a minute, hour, day, or night that I don't love you. You're at the top of my list, cause I'm always thinking of you. I still remember in the days when I was scared to touch you. How I spent my day dreaming, planning how to say I love you. You must have known that I had feelings deep enough to swim in. That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come in.
I'll put it back up. Hold on.
I just don't wanna stop.
What up, Lloyd?
I just don't wanna stop. Too much, never too much, never too much, never too much.
Is this Grinder? Why would that be Grinder? What? No, I'm not putting that on that young man. I don't know nothing about that. That's something you need to be asking Arby about. This is the dude that think he can hide behind his troll page and make videos of my wife, or him urinating on my wife.
And I'm so glad that I am winning. We've come a long way, and that this is only the beginning of our love.
If you go in my stories, you'll see a little bit more. Never too much, never too much. I just don't wanna stop. How many of y'all want to hear from Truck Turner and what he had to say tonight? Y'all want to hear something what he was talking about tonight? Him backtracking? Oh, Lord, I don't want to know what AP want to know. I mean, what she know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. No, let's do something else. All right. We'll play some audio. Hold on. So let's go to who live this was so y'all can get an idea of who was talking. Sorry, y'all. Should have warned y'all before I did that. Mr. Truck Turner, aka Jay, is in the second box right here. Y'all can see it, so y'all know who he is. This is a young lady that was hosting the live. That's his friend. She was kind of upset today too. I don't even care about her. Ain't got nothing to do with her. So let's do this.
Sure, take no trip to the South, because don't get it twisted. When you look up them statistics, I ain't doing that. That's strange. That ain't even my do.
This is Mr. Truck Turner talking without his little deep voice on with his microphone to edit his voice.
I do things. Nobody is coming to the South. Nobody's doing that. Because we know how restrictive those GUN laws are up there. The GUN laws down here are so relaxed. You can buy one when you buy your groceries at Walmart.
What you need all that for, my guy? What do you need all of that for? Who said anything about coming down the south, man? What are you upset about, trucker? I thought you said you bought plane tickets to come see me and all that. What's going on, man? What you backtracking for, my guy?
Practically. Yeah, they took them out of there, technically. But when you get in their parking lot, they practically got a GUN show.
For the record, this has nothing to do with this young lady that's in the picture. This is about the dude that's in that second box from the top, okay? I don't want this young lady to think I'm attacking her. I don't even know her at all. Even though she don't like me, I don't really care. I don't really know who she is. Don't have nothing to do with her. Oh, yeah, Junebug, I got him. Got his ass.
Yep.
I'm not saying I would do anything with weapons. I'm not doing anything. But also, I would say this.
But you said you wanted to RAPE my wife, remember? On Bella's Live. Oh, we got that in 4K, my guy.
I would say this. I would say this just for the record, and I want to make sure it's recorded for the record. I'm not inviting anybody to Alabama. I'm not saying I'm gonna leave
Thank you for giving up your location, even though I know you lying.
Alabama to see anybody, and I just want the record to show that I'm asking him to please don't make a trip to anywhere. I want no trouble. I want no problems. I just want the record.
Too late for that.
And that's it.
Well, we heard Mr. Truck Turner say he don't want no problems with Blaze. He said he's not inviting me to show up. I never asked you that, bro. Never asked you. I was really disappointed with the lady today acting the way she did. Which lady? Body like a cyclone? This dude don't look like he believe in any God for real, for real. It looked like he short a couple marbles. I know Body Like a Cyclone. I don't know that young lady and all, whoever her name is, cool ass. I don't know her. But, you know what I mean? The true colors always come out. Nene, why don't you come up and ask? What you... Since you so concerned. Never too much, never too much. Like, I ain't never seen y'all so mad. Let me put some more. Because they reporting. Bella, what you doing up this late, Bella? Girl, you gotta be up in a couple hours. What you doing up this late?
No matter what the people say, I can't let go. I can't let go. No. Why must they try to tear down our house with glee? Got me made from love, and they can never turn you away. We make time to love, do it all, we all want. And no one has the right to tell me.
Well, he should be.
No matter what the people say.
My wife is not the person he should be worried about, though. I got you. Oh, damn it. I didn't realize there was so many of y'all in the box. I hope y'all meant to come up. Hey, lovely. Hello. Hey, Jody. Hey, Sandra.
Hey, Blaze.
What's going on?
Nothing. I was just saying when old girl or whoever asked if you found your sock yet, I was saying, yeah, Arby's took it with him because he filled that motherfucker up with some ice to put on that jaw.
Don't even engage, Jody. Don't even engage, Jody. Let it be. Let him be. Let him be. It ain't even worth it. What's up, Sandra? I don't think she meant to come up. I think she is asleep. She is knocked out over there.
How y'all doing over there?
Oh, we all gravy. I will say, I've never seen people so mad for a person that claim he want to fight. It's the funniest shit ever. Thank 3. Appreciate you.
Well, let me ask you a question.
Sure, go ahead.
Who the hell goes to somebody's house, knocks on the door, and then shuts the fucking camera off?
Somebody that got dropped on his pockets.
Okay, and they keep claiming that it was only offered for 30 seconds. No, it was offered 2 minutes and 22 seconds. And a lot can happen in that 2 minutes and 22 seconds. And clearly we saw by your Ring camera, he was yelling for help.
I don't know people that want to fight to yell for help. Whatever, though.
I don't even understand it. Why would you go there, knock on the door just to turn the damn camera off?
Hold on 1 second. See this right here, though, Jody? This is what's going to cost him his freedom. Bringing that. See, this is the only thing, the reason why I didn't take a different course of action. Because if he'd have fired that pew pew off and that shit would have hit my son, that would have fell on me. Or hit my wife.
A whole lot of shit could have happened that night, Blaze. Just thankfully, all that happened is what happened. But a whole bunch of shit. My God. How's your son doing?
Oh, he's good. He already over. He back to his game in life. You know, Gabe, he didn't realize what was going on. He was just happy to be doing something. But my older son he good. He went back to his same old life. But again, all you people that act like y'all don't want to know what's gonna happen to Arby or what's gonna happen to Patrick, y'all know what's gonna happen, right? Because I'm going to move accordingly. Because, again, I don't want to take no black man away. Just like when I beat Patrick up the first time, right? I didn't want to hurt him. I didn't want to take him off this planet because he still got to go home to his family. See, Arby didn't have that regard for me, and that's cool.
No.
That's his decision. That's his decision.
No.
But he going to live with that decision.
And neither did Jonty I don't even know how to say his name. Jonty.
We just call him Patrick over here. No, we don't call him Genty. No, we call him Patrick. We gonna call him with his mama name.
Regards either.
No.
Talking about kill him. You know.
Okay, K word.
Yeah, K word. But again, they came to a fight, and as soon as they knocked on that damn door, they turned that cameras off because they knew it wasn't going to be a good look. They knew somebody was going to get their ass whooped. And they clearly weren't betting it on you, it being you. Because why?
Well, that didn't work out too well for them. And again, I don't really care what people think. Because again, I've been on this app for 3 years. If I really cared what everybody thought, I would go absolutely insane.
And I heard Arby's talking about, so at first it was, oh no, he's mad because I knocked him out. He admitted to having you in the chokehold, and he said you went sleep in his arms. He said that on live the other day. So
he
now
said I went to sleep?
Yes, he said you went to sleep in his arm.
Imagine that.
So it went from him just knocking you out to then now it's okay. Now he's admitted that he did choke. He put you in the chokehold, and that's when he's like, now you can hear oh boy yelling, choke him out. He's like, I did, and he fell asleep in my arms, is what he said.
Well, see, the problem with that, right, is again we were both on the ground.
And you said
right.
From David,
so as soon as he wanted to get up and grab his fucking phone again. He can spin the narrative all he wants. I don't really care. That's what the internet does. But I was there. Don't no grown man scream for Tyreek. And thank you for implicating Tyreek as well, because Tyreek going away with you just as your sister is too.
He was talking about he was yelling for for his sister because he
I ain't
didn't
never
know
heard of a sister named Tyreek.
right because he didn't know what your wife was gonna be on, you know. So she came out, and so that he was yelling for his sister, but then your wife was trying to break it. It really don't even fucking matter because the
Nope,
point is,
not
how
at
are
all.
people believing this shit with 2 minutes and 22 seconds of fucking tape being gone?
Well, let's be clear. It doesn't matter what would happen. They're gonna spin the narrative any way they want. I really don't care. That's something like I said, they try to tell me Patrick beat me up. Please. Never.
When Patrick said he
I
was
don't
too
really
gay
care.
to fight, so
But again, we're past all the point of who won the fight. I don't really care about that stuff. I honestly don't, Jody.
I know you.
I'm on that. This man brung a pew and pulled it out, pointed it towards my family. See, that's where my head is at.
Yes.
And I could have lost my son that night. I could have lost my wife that night. I could have lost myself that night.
Absolutely.
So now, like I said, I got to move accordingly. And again, I'm going to take onus for that because and again, me and Kiana and everybody else, we had this conversation. This is why I was getting upset with, not upset, but I was getting upset. Nosy was speaking for me tonight, trying to tell me that I don't have no remorse. Yeah, I do have remorse. That I didn't just go out there with my 38 and just pull the trigger. Right. Because I shouldn't be putting no black man in front of my family. Just because I don't want to see you taken away from your black family, you ain't going to take me away from mine. And I should have had that mindset instead of going out there putting my hands on her. But again, you have broken federal laws, my guy. You admitted to having a gun on the scene.
Yes. Yes.
Multiple times.
He admitted
Patrick
to going
screaming
to
in
your
the
house
background, telling you to unalive somebody while he knows you have a firearm. Sending you here. And then posting and live streaming it. So you're going to lose your page. Guaranteed, Patrick. Your main page, your backup pages, they're gone.
And admitted to going to your house several times this summer alone.
He ain't never been to my house before. That's all a lie. But if he want to keep saying that, he can say that for when he needs to, and it's just won't bury him more.
Yep.
You see, we passed the fight part now, right? You threatened the life of a child, my wife, both of my children.
Both.
When you pulled that gun out your car. Sorry, y'all. And now you're going to have to pay for that. Your mom ain't going to save you. Your connections ain't going to save you. You acting like half my family ain't federal workers or police officers.
Just make sure you stick to it and hold these motherfuckers accountable.
Oh, it wasn't even my choice because people had already did what they did the night it happened. And for, like I said, my reason for saying what I said to Nosy is because Nosy was supposedly my friend. But you ran on his app, with your integrity, the way you claim it is, Nosy, Stephanie, that you didn't even reach out to me and ask me how I felt. Or how I felt, or was I remorseful or nothing like that. You didn't even play, like you said, we didn't even get to the clip. Okay, so you didn't even get to the clip to see how I felt, but you were speaking on how I felt. And again, I appreciate you backtracking, but it was already too late by then. Yeah, I mean, if you so full of integrity the way you say you are, and you supposedly supposed to be my freaking friend, you didn't think you would have reached out to me. I don't even remember you really reaching out to me to say if I'm all right. You only reached out to me to talk about fucking Ray.
Yeah,
you was more concerned about what Ray was saying about you than your own, me being your own fucking friend.
Lovely Patrick said in the live that he's too gay to fight. So that
don't say that on here. I gotta let you down, Jody. Okay.
That's what he said.
Yeah, I know, but they're gonna flag us for that. I'm gonna let you down. I'll bring you back up. Okay. So again, I'm not mad and nosy or whatever, but that just shows me a lot. You didn't reach out to me to see you didn't ask me that the night it happened, when you spoke to me directly. You wanted to talk about Ray and what Ray would say about you. Like I keep telling her I don't get in between you and Ray. But you so obsessed with Ray and what's going on, me being friends with Ray, you didn't ask me that. But you took it upon yourself to run to an app to put out a false narrative that I never said. Of course I'm remorseful. If I had that night to do over, I'd have did it a whole lot different. But you're supposed to be my friend. You think you would have reached out to me. I mean, of course, we don't talk like we used to like a couple years ago, but you still claim you still my friend. Yes, that is a pew-pew in his hand. And that night, Arby threw his life away, and Patrick, and the rest of you fools, and his sister, and Tyreek. Eb Ready. Oh yeah, Eb, you definitely involved. Your name is definitely involved on them papers. So expect it. All you people that were in the box with him, all of y'all. Expect to lose all y'all pages. You, Eb, all of y'all. At this point, I don't even know why y'all were even worried about TikTok. Y'all should be worried about getting a fucking lawyer. Because you're going to need it. Start crowdfunding for that. Because I'm not playing no more. Y'all y'all want to think it's okay to put my fucking children in danger like that? Regardless of whether somebody told him to pull up or not, he did it. But y'all want to be mad? Be mad. You're going to be even madder when I'm posting a body cam on my page. Oh yeah, I'm posting every last one of y'all body cams, mug shots and all. I want to see who's going to have the ugliest mug shot. Who's going to cry first? Oh, we all know it's going to be Eb. Yeah, we know. I hope it was worth it. I hope it was all worth it. Everybody that live streamed it, not looking good for you guys. And then Patrick just digging the hole deeper for y'all because he told everybody that he reached out to y'all and told you to live stream it, right? Him doing that, if you was to react the way you wanted to, it would have been in defense for you. Yeah. Regardless whether he came to my door, it's still in the defense of my home. He came to my home, invited or not. He brought a firearm. So that's premeditated. You drove 45 minutes, huh? Thank you for confirming that. Oh yeah, they messed up bad. They know it. That's why they going on this world tour. You don't see me running around to a 1,000,000,001 lives.